Welcome again to my tutorial video today on how can you deposit funds into your MEXC account step by step using your laptop or you are using your phone. I'm going to show you everything in this video, everything. I'm going to also show you guys how you can use your phone as well to make a deposit, because most of us are using mobile phones, so that you can understand how can you do it with your smartphone, with everything you want to do. Is very simple. I'm going to show you everything step by step in this video. So what you need to do, you can easily, maybe I can even show you on my phone right now so that you can know how can you deposit money into your MEXC account step by step, because most of us are familiar with mobile phone. But let me just even go straight to the phone so that we can understand how you can easily deposit fund into your account. I'm going to show you. Try to just like this video so that you can really understand how can you deposit fund, how you can do whatever thing you want to do with it. I'm going to show you step by, because you can maybe I can show you as well on your laptop as well. I'll also show you guys. So on your laptop, I will show you as well how you can do that. So if you want to deposit money into your laptop, you need to just come to this wallet area. Come to your wallet area. So I'll also show you again how you can do that on your mobile phone as well. So if you want to deposit any money, you can click on deposit fund, then you click on this. You can also buy USDT on P2P. So if you don't know how to do that on P2P, I'm going to show you. So this is P2P area. You can also buy from this. Maybe another video will come how I can show you guys on how you can do P2P here by buying with a verified merchant. So let me just go back so that I can show you what I'm willing to show you in this video. So let me just go back to MEXC Global again so that I can show you. So when you come to your wallet area here, all right, on your laptop, okay, so just come to this deposit fund. When you come to deposit fund, you click on this on chain. So we have to just allow it to load up. Then you have to just select the crypto you want to. I normally use USDT. Then let's say I want to deposit either USDT, whatever. I'll just say Web20 network. Then it will generate me what? It will generate me this particular USDT. Then I will now deposit the money. So now let me now show you guys. If you are using a mobile phone, I will show you how to use it on your mobile phone in this video as well, so that you can easily understand everything. So let me just log into my phone, then I will be able to show you everything you need to know and how you can implement it on your mobile browser. All right, so now let me show you guys on how you can use it on your phone right now. You can see this is my phone. I'm showing you right now on your screen. You can see everything clearly. So if you want to use it on your phone, it's very simple. This is your mobile phone. If you want to make any deposit to your money, you can come to wallet area down here. This is wallet area down. You can see, check my something wallet. So when you come to wallet, you are going to see available money. So if you want to deposit fund, you are going to click on this deposit. All right, then you click on this on chain. Then I will go to another wallet to fund. I can send it with my SEPA. Then I will show you the practical example right now. Then I will show you how. Then you come here. All right, so let's say I want to deposit money from my from my another wallet. I'll just copy the wallet address given to me here. All right, then I will now go to that account to fund it using your. Let me just show you. Hold on. All right, okay, let's say I want to use my SEPA to fund. I want to send money from my SEPA here to another account. I will just click on this. I'll just say I want to send like $5 or whatever dollar I want to send. I'll just click on this. All right, I'll just click on this area to send the money. I'll click on send. I'll now try to paste the wallet address given to me. I can say I want to send like $5 or $10. You can send minimum of $5 to this, so it will just reflect in the account. It's very simple. So I'm trying to send like $5 to. I'll just click on this. I'll now click on this confirm to send the money into that account. I'll just put my icon and everything. I'll send the money right now. All right, so can you see I've already sent the money into my account successfully. Then you can see I've already sent the money. So then the money will reflect on my MEXC account. So let me just go back to MEXC. So the money must reflect on my spot account. Let me just go to spots. So I put in $5 to my spot account. Right, the money has already come. You can see the money has come to my account, which is $5. It's been come to my MEXC account. So that's how you can fund your you can easily fund your account. All right, so it's very, very simple. You can use method, and if you want to buy from P2P, but that one I will make another video for that. If you want to go to P2P, you need to I'm show you how to do that on P2P as well, but it may not be today. All right, so I'm going to show you. Sorry. So right now I'm going to show you how you can easily do that in my next, how you can buy USD from P2P platform. All right, I'm going to show you how you can do that on your P2P, so don't worry about that. So that's a very simple way you can fund your money. You can fund Bitcoin. It's the same thing. You can fund with Bitcoin. You can fund with any wallet you want to go for. All right, so that is how it works step by step. So thank you for watching the video. It's very, very simple and easy. If you want to either deposit Naira, deposit something, so you can, if you want to, let's say you want to fund with another pair, like either debit card, you can put, even you can also even pay with Google Pay. You can use this at the different method. This one, you can, any one you like. You can buy at best price with 100% reward. You can see with P2P price as well. You just need to buy, so then you buy from price, you can see you can buy here. So you can buy here, and amount, you can just click on this area to select complete rating, available, show amount you want to buy. You can buy with let's say 10,000 naira. What if you are Nigerian? They will give you available option to buy. You can buy and sell instantly. You don't need to wait. So this is a very simple way on how you can buy. If you want to deposit, you just click on buy. So you click here, you make your payments. You can see if you want to buy with let's say 10,000 naira worth of Bitcoin, that's around $6. So that's how it works. Then you click on buy, then you follow the step and pay the money. So but I'll show you another video how to do P2P on MEXC. So thank you guys for watching. That's how you can just deposit money into your MEXC account. So thank you for that. I'm going to show you. Bye for now, guys. See you guys in my next comment video.